Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry for the quality of this clip. It's because I accidentally deleted some of the clips for this vlog, especially the intro and yung mga clips ko nung June. So, medyo nag-skip tayo sa part kung saan malapit na yung birthday ni Rayhan. So, Rayhan's birthday is July 27. Since Monday yon, we decided na i-celebrate siya on July 25. So, the whole time, nag-vlog ako about it without me knowing na na-delete ko pala yung mga ibang clips. So, here's my intro for this vlog. So, I hope you like this vlog and watch it till the end. Sorry if I look like a mess. Today is July 23 and I'm gonna update to you about Rayhan's preparation. So, nag-layout ako ng ganito and then gipa-print ko kay Dada cardboard. Tapos, di-cut ko na lang using our disc cutter and then, why it's not focusing? Binatasan ko and then the twine. Tapos, yun yung i-insert ko sa paper bag ni Rayhan. Bali yun yung loot bags ni Rayhan. And then this for his giveaways na this is an eco bag. I designed this. Tapos, since our small business is printing, so yan. Pinaprint ko kay Dada ng ganito. Tapos, lalagyan ko na lang ng ganito. Guys, I also designed this one. Yes, it is well with my soul. And then Waymaker. Lagyan ko niyan. And this prize to para sa birthday ni Rayhan. And then this is gonna be Rayhan's lip bag. Tapos, in case you're wondering why merong ganito, it's because during Rayhan's first birthday, 2018 ata yun, nag-DIY lang din ako, nag-print, and then, ito, since tribe yung ano ni Rain, yung pin niya. So, i-recycle lang natin kasi mga sobra to. Sobra. So, i-cut ko lang, then, palitan ko nung kay Rayhan. So, guys, sorry, medyo kalat. So, these are the loot bags. Tapos, ito yung mga food and spices na binili namin kahapon ni Mama. We just use this boxer. Now, to plastic naman doon. Hindi ba naman ako okay na? Namin napakita kanina. We ordered one tray of cookies from Cookie Bear by Carla Crizia. Tapos, nirepack namin ni Ella kanina ng ganito. Tapos, nilagyan lang namin ng label na to buy a Rayhan turns 1. And then, si Hannah. Hi, Han. Ito, para sa dessert ni Rayhan. My mama will make something. Basta, you're gonna see it tomorrow. So, nilagyan niya ni Hannah ng sticker kanina. There. Tapos, yung nirepack namin is this and this. Tapos, nilagyan lang din namin ng sticker for Rayhan. So, ayan. Cupcakes, cakes. Tanaw na to itong inspiration. Ano? Ito? Matangit eh.
Oh, I will.
Susunod. Ano sa natabot ng gold daw, Han?
Tama naman ito eh. Ano?
Yung
Opo, inaapi na po kami siyang nagnanak po. Opo. Opo, lagi mo mag-vlog.
Huwag kulabot mo.
Ay, ipaso na.
Guys, wala akong matakalimot sa akong vlog. Hi guys, I miss the Anka! Da, dali na da.
Good afternoon, everyone. I was tasked by Shang to open this celebration with a prayer. But we all know that our God is a source of anything that is good, anything that is perfect, anything that is pleasing in our sight and to Him. So this day we celebrate His goodness. He is a good God. And we celebrate especially the goodness that He has been showing to the family of Eric, Jel, and to Shang. Everyone to bow down our heads and let's put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Who have come together to celebrate your goodness to the life of this family and to the life of Rayhan, Father. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Rayhan.
Wish this before siya.
Ang late.
Ay, dili siya mag-blow.
Hello, baby!
Okay.
Ano? Pa-picture sa amin din. What color do you want? Happy birthday!
One.
Oh, we have purple there.
Kay. Hawakan mo ito, Kay. Smile! One only.
One only.
One and then no more.
Doon pa. Riley, just one picture, okay?
Take it, Brad.
Oh, we're gonna buy some.
Okay, candle. Oh, light the candle.
Itago para ka nakamotin mo. Rayhan!
Shang, ang role ng lola ba? Diba? Ang role ng lola.
Riley, can take picture, Riley? Hello! Hello! Hello, you.
Yeah.
Hello! Welcome to the
Okay. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Riley!
Brad, sorry, Brad.
Happy birthday!
Let's blow the cake together. 1, 2, 3, go!
Birthday. Oh, come. Down.
Da. Yoshi. Onigay. Say hi. 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 Ito.
Cute lang. Bakit? Bakit dito ko ilagay? Bakit? Bakit?
Ayusin mo, di ba? Baka makakayos ka ganun. Press out. Press out. It's mukbang.
It's mo ba? Ano ba yung mga lapos mo?
How to pag mukbang daw, babe?
Meron sa anak kayo.
At kaya na. Ano lang sa isang kuan?
Mukbang daw. Para sa vlog nila.
Dili na ya, sorry ya. Nakuratas ko ya. Kamu na po doon sa dunya. Magbukbang.
Ayaw sila sa mga to.
So, hi guys! Unfortunately, that was the last clip on Rayhan's birthday party. Nagmukbang yung best friends ko. Because after nung nag-prepare ako sa labas, yung nag-decorate ako, as in guys, sobrang busy na after that and nakalimutan ko ng mag-vlog. Buti na lang, our friend, Kai and Ray, tinulungan nila kami. As in, tinake over nila yung vlog. Sila na nag-vlog. Nakita nyo naman, diba? Sila na yung may hawak ng vlogging cam ko at saka camera ni Dada. They help us na matapos yung vlog at saka mag-take ng picture sa birthday ni Rayhan. If you think there are clips missing on this vlog, it's because there is. Unfortunately, again, while I was editing this vlog yesterday, I was shocked because yung tinransfer ko na yung mga files, na-corrupt yung 8 clips. That's why hindi masyadong detailed yung vlog na to. Nawala yung nag-prepare ako ng loot bags, nawala yung in-explain ko paano yung decoration, at saka yung naghahakot yung brother ko at saka si Dada ng mga tents and chairs. Ang tents and chairs is hiniram namin yung mga tents sa friends namin, sa relatives ko, at saka sa church. And then yung mga tables and chairs, galing yun sa church. Pinahiram ng elders sa amin. And guys, believe it or not, during sa birthday ni Rayhan, wala kami halos gastos ni Dada. Meron pero konti lang. Yung handa ni Rayhan, it was all from my mama. Tapos yung papa ko nag-assist din financially. And then yung relatives namin, nag-insist sila na magluto sila ng ganitong potahe or ganitong dessert or kakanin. Tapos binigay sa amin for Rayhan's birthday. Especially my mom who literally cooked 24 hours. Nag-start siya Friday and then natapos siya Saturday ng hapon. Kaya ang hirap na din mag-vlog kasi meron pa kaming 3 anak. Thankfully, maraming nag-a-assist sa amin ni Dada. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa. I believe that God will return all the blessings na shinare niyo sa amin. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For the people who watch this vlog, thank you so much. I hope you like this vlog. Please like, comment down below, share, and subscribe if you like our vlogs. God bless you. Mwah. Bye!